What's the deal, nigga? Antone, nigga, Monarchy, nigga. These niggas can't rap, nigga. Show them how to do it. I'm so high, I'm living the atmosphere. Sky ain't the limit. Hating on me, then fuck you is the reply that I'm giving. I be grinding to get it, trying to make wise decisions. I contradict myself sometimes, I'm human, I can admit it. I done been there and did it, just ain't done it all yet. Niggas be trying and giving up, I can't even call that. I'm all that, fall back or fall to the ground. I'ma get mines right fast, I can't be argued down. My flow like art, I was smile when reminiscing good thoughts. They said I wouldn't be shit, they premonitions was wrong, I'm too strong. Iron chrome next to me, bring the plex to me. Truly, I'd rather be with your bitch, learning her sexually, learning how intellectually gifted she is, putting her legs by her ears, fast and slow shifting gears. I get mugs from the haters, hoes give me the draws, but still I play the game to win, never pressing pause, thinking should I fight fire with fire or use water? Can't come up with an answer, motherfucker, think harder, think smarter, think larger, take over, don't make no bargains, only fuck bitches that's gorgeous, that pussy is Fiji water, never get caught up, watch for suckers with the recorders, watching for the laws, cause when I'm driving I be on it and be yawning, cause I'm tired of obliterating these rappers. I make these pussies start bleeding like Miss Tracy and start laughing. I can't be still, I stay traveling to where the paper located. Impatient, the clock turning, can't be doing no waiting. These niggas doing that hating. Guess it's their occupation after me. Call me Transporter 3 Jason Statham. My style gruesomely elegant, one of a kind. No shells left at the scene, cause 38 was the iron. It's time to eat less dying. It's going down in the city. No pity is ever shown. Whiskey I drunk out the titty. Nigga tying up loose ends. Bitch niggas I'm shooting. Need a problem solved, the revolver's the solution. Do you like G Money on the top of the roof? I am my brother's keeper. Nigga, that ain't the truth. I'm raised in the H, where they got guns, got weight. Gold lobsters wolf a nigga dick to the prostate. Sulfuric